Yeah, sorry babe. Hello pretty. How are you doing?
Get lost. I have a boyfriend.
I should get lost. But we are not with any guy. Just give me your number. I will send you 20k immediately. You want me to send you the 20k?
You have to send it before I give you my number.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't mind. Let me open my bank app. Okay? You can put your account number.
Okay.
Yeah, just put it. There's money there so I can easily send you 20k and have your number, okay?
Alright.
Okay. So, Precious Godwin, right? Yeah?
Please get lost. My boyfriend is coming.
Your boyfriend?
Get lost! Can't you hear it?
You don't want the 20k again?
Jesus Christ, can you just get lost? Baby?
What's that guy I saw you with? Because I saw you giving him your number. What's the guy?
He asked for my number and...
And what?
I did... Jesus! Baby!
Go inside the car! Go inside! Move! Baby! I said go inside the car. Baby. Move inside the car! Move in! Move inside the car, idiot! Are you seeing what's the car? Move it! Are you stupid? You're very stupid! Go inside this house! I know, go inside. Come on! Baby, I swear to God! Baby, don't give me my number! I was asking for my number! I did not give you! Baby, no! What's it? Baby, I did not give you my number! I swear! I did not give you my number! Oh my God! Stop! Don't give up! What is happening here? What is happening? It's okay. I'm not it's okay. No, this shit is okay. To leave my house. It's okay. That is all my friends. Go upstairs. Take out the man fight you now. Get me. Don't touch me, my seat.
Oh no, they need to run out and tell me the truth. I told him the truth, I didn't say anything.
It's okay. Now listen. Listen. I'm going to go out there and I will try to talk to him, okay? Now please do me a favor. While I am talking to him, do not come out. Please. Just stay, okay?
I didn't say anything, but please told him the truth. Oh, I don't know.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay? But you know what you did was wrong. If I didn't react that way, that means I don't love you. Okay? You know how much I love you, baby. Is that right? Please, I don't want anybody around my woman. Okay? Please, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Guess what? Babe? Guess what?
What?
I bought something for you. You like it? Yeah, look at what I bought for you. Guess you like it. Come on, can you cheer up? Cheer up, baby, now. Stop. You like it, right? Check. Hmm? Baby, check now. Let me show you this one.
I like this one.
Like it?
Yes.
Oh,
Pink is my favorite color.
look at this one again.
I like that one too, but this is my best.
Oh, you prefer the pink, right?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Oh! So you're okay now, right? We
fine.
don't find that thing next time, okay?
Why won't I be worried? No, tell me one good reason why I should not be worried. Look at the window. I can't even see the time. No, look at the time. I have been calling your brother. He has refused to pick up my calls. When I start now, you will say it has started. You may be stuck in traffic. Even for once and all, that traffic should jump and kill you and stupid generation. You know that. Who the hell are you to tell me how to run my home? What are you doing to you? Get out, please. Don't get out! Dealing with the same kind of my husband's house. Don't you know how I don't need to go? You don't have common sense to think just like the way I'm thinking. Daft. Hey, Daniel. Hey. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. You will. I've been waiting for you. Daniel. You don't know me. You don't know the woman you are messing with.
Brother, what are you doing standing by the door? Don't tell me your wife locked you out of your own room. This your wife is biting more than she can chew, brother.
Jessica, do not talk about my wife that way, okay? This is family affair. Stay away from it.
Family affair. Brother, I am your family before you got married to her. We went to pay her bride price and I will not sit back and watch her mistreat you and insult you the way she has been doing.
Jessica, mind your business. Right? Just stay away from this affair.
I can see you have become comfortable with the way she
Jessica,
has...
just shut up. Go to your room. When you get married, you can attend to your own marriage the way you wish.
I opened this door because for once, you spoke like a married man. Not because I'm happy with you.
That's my guy. Look at him. Oh! Baller! Messi can play football. Come on, look at him. Yeah. Move it! Come on. Oh, come on, you're missing, my guy. Come on. What's the meaning of this now? So why you messing the whole place? What's it? What is it? Are you stupid? I have the mind to talk to you, isn't it? Huh?
You're very heartless human being. Kevin, do you know I'm pregnant? You don't even care if I was dying or not. What is your problem?
Very stupid. Pregnant for me.
Pregnant for you?
For me?
Yes!
Ah. Come here! You're pregnant for me.
Please, I'm pregnant for you.
You sound heartless. You sound heartless. You sound heartless. Come here. Go down. You sound heartless, right?
No, you're not.
Yeah?
Kelvin, you're not.
You're pregnant for me.
Kelvin, please don't.
No, I'm pregnant for me. For who? Come on.
Precious, you heard what the doctor said. I believe now you will leave that man alone. Please, I don't want you to see that man again. He almost killed you because you vomited in his house just for the baby he put in the womb. Pico, leave that man alone. Leave him alone.
Mama, I thought John was a monster, but this Kevin of a guy is worse. God, he's so heartless. Look at what he did to her. He almost killed her. Precious, you have to be careful. Ha. Mama, talk to your daughter.
Precious, please, allow the man to go. God will bring another man for you. A better person will come for you. That will cherish you, that will care for you, that will love you. Please, allow him to go. Don't see him again. You know, giving good. Do you hear me? Please, I'm your mother talking to you. Hear me.
No. Mama, he will not kill her.
Okay.
It will never happen.
Amen.
See, that Kevin of a guy, I have never, ever believed on his words. I know he's never genuine.
Look, enough, sis.
It is
Why are you attacking him?
easy.
Eh? You're just attacking him. Eh? Have you left John? What is it? Eh? After everything he has done to you, you refuse to leave him. If something can happen to him, I cannot leave him now. Remove your eye from Kelvin. Pico, what is it? Choice I should leave Kelvin. I don't understand. If they marry me, Will you do what he's doing for me? Be coming down, no. Be coming down.
I have left John long ago. And I want you to do same. Okay? I don't want you to make same mistake that I made.
Were you not the one that told me that he took me to the hospital and cleared the bills? So what are you saying? He's a good man. Ha!
I'm just surprised at you. Just take a look at you. Do you know that you fainted? You almost died. Just thank God though. If not for Mama that rescued you. Now tell me, what is the need of money if you have died?
Mama, see, Kelvin is a very sweet soul. I'm telling you, he's a nice person. Eh?
Precious, are you stupid or senseless? Don't you see the danger ahead of you? Icharino, do you want to die? Because of that man? Leave him alone. Let him go.
Mama, you and Cynthia should just leave me. You guys should stop interfering in my matter. You guys should leave me now. I'm old enough to handle my matter. Eh? Okay, as if my own is worse than Cynthia's own. Eh? The one Cynthia order. Ya want need the
My candid advice, if you like, go back to Kevin. If you like, use your brain. And if you don't like, do your worst.
Baby,
Yes, Lord.
you know I love you so much, right?
I know. And I love you more. I love you with my whole being without reserve.
And whatever I am doing it because I love you. I am tired of always having issues with you. So I came to this conclusion that I think you should get someone else to handle the massage section. Yes, baby, I can't stand seeing you with those women. I can't. I am your wife. And if I don't feel the way I am feeling right now, then I do not have feelings for you. I do not love you. And then maybe you can go ahead and hire a female secretary, you know.
Baby, is that what you want?
Yes, that's all I want. I think we will have peace.
Honestly, I was skeptical about bringing up such discussion, but if it is what you want, I'll gladly do that. Okay? Once it's going to bring peace and stability in our marriage, I will do it.
Really?
Oh yes, I miss our good times, our peaceful times and our lovely... Don't worry, I'll do that. Just that we have to factor in some extra expenses.
Thank you.
Baby, that's my woman. You know what I want?
Precious! 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 Is anybody home? Is anybody home?
Who is that mad dog? Who is that mad dog?
Mommy.
Calling my daughter's name. Kevin! Ebekisi, you have the guts to come to my house. Ebiti se wami feti abubu. Ebekweba.
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Let that girl to choke you to death. You evil man. Keibe imeba. Oye bogi. Sikweba po. Achomi fugi. After it is the wami ife. Do you want to kill my daughter?
What are you doing here? Devil's handwork, Mama.
Devil.
I'm sorry, please.
I'm
sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I didn't know what happened. I didn't know what came over me, Mama.
I chose him and one was I chose him. I don't want to see you with my daughter again.
I'm sorry now. I love her so much,
Love,
Mama.
Love, all of you that warrior.
Mama, what is... What are you doing here?
Babe, please, we can settle this.
Settle before we get back.
My friend, come on, let's get back. Are you alright? A guy that beats you almost to stupor. You want to go back to him?
I love
My friend, will you get back?
Sister, who are you to stop me not to go to my baby?
Precious!
Tell me not to go with him, eh? Your own is even worse than my own. Oh. What's that?
Hey, Mama! Hey, Mama! Hey!
I don't go to that.
Hey, Precious! Hey!
Love.
You love him or you love the money? You love him or you love the money?
Mama, just go.
Go now, stay out. Go and meet him. This time around, you will beat you and he will beat you to death.
Baby. Mama, see, you want to keep Kevin with that photo. It's not fair.
So, honey, do you have any other thing to say to her regards her job description?
Not at all. I mean, as long as she does her job very diligently, I do not have a problem with that.
Okay, it's all good.
Don't worry, Auntie. I promise I will never disappoint you.
Thank you. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, it's all right. You may go now. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're starting your job first thing tomorrow morning.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Baby, I think I am hungry.
Oh,
I mean, the baby is hungry.
I understand. Just wait a second, okay? Let me arrange some things.
Okay.
Mama. Mama.
Where's Precious?
Precious. I thought she's in the house.
No, I thought she came to your place. She's not in the house. Oh, no, cha. Since in your couple.
Mama. Are you sure Precious have not gone to see that boy?
Obuno ifo mere. Mu na ege iti okpa nfu trouser. Ma obata eba. Mu na ege eme ma ama ebe ko si mutakwa nifa. Onye kuziri ya?
Precious.
What a kidding car.
Precious will not learn from my mistake.
Oh, Jesus.
That's really bad. A wise person learn from someone's mistake. Her own is becoming too much. What is wrong with her?
Mu na ege eme o. Koji ya bata. Ya jisia bata. O ga bata. Ano mu no. Ya bata.
Rose, you say $10,000? Come on now. Come on now. I love that. See.
Kelvin, do you mean you're not seeing me?
Like, TF me, I beg. No time to waste time, bro.
I'm talking to you.
Rose, that's my Reggie.
I am talking to you, Kelvin. Are you not seeing me?
Just TF me yourself.
Can't you see I'm here?
You have my answer now. Also, I see the B now, I beg. Bro, I'm so happy, bro. It's not fair. Well, I beg, TF me. No waste time, no dull moment.
Kelvin, I am talking to you. I am here. At least welcome me.
See that $10,000? Bro, do you know how much?
Are you
it
being
is
serious
now?
right now?
In Nigeria? Bro, come on.
Okay,
I'm
fine.
fucking rich.
I'm leaving.
Hello? Hey. Come back here.
Okay, now you can see me, right? You can see me.
Take this
I thought I was invisible.
Hey! Take this money and meet me inside.
I should meet you inside, baby. I thought you were blind now. Now you can't see me. I should hurry up. I'm coming.
Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, no. Because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there. Oh, they could promise you the whole world in exchange for your life. In exchange for your life. Oh no. Be careful of the love of money. They make you go gaga. Oh gaga. The love of money. They make you crazy gaga. Ganga. Oti body. You want to cry for Benz instead of for Kada. Yeah, don't you know, kind of life you live can haunt you back. haunt you well. You've put a price tag on you. Any man with money go come and chop you well. The love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy, gaga, make you crazy, gaga. The love of money, the love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy, gaga, hey gaga, gaga, oti body. Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, oh no, no. Because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there. Oh, you could promise you the whole world in exchange for your life. In exchange for your life. Oh no, be careful of the love of money. They make you go gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy, gaga, gaga. Oh the body, you want to cry for Benz instead of for Kada. Yeah, don't you know, kind of life you live can haunt you back, haunt you well. You've put a price tag on you. Any man with money go come and chop you well. The love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga. Crazy, gaga, make you crazy, gaga. The love of money, the love of money, they make you go gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga, oh gaga. The love of money, they make you crazy, gaga, hey gaga, gaga, oh the body. It's Revi.
Face, you now see why I don't want to leave him, right? I cannot lose him for any other thing. I'm telling you the honest truth. And now you expect me, bre, I should now lose him to other girls. It's not possible. I cannot lose him. Hey God. Now come on, let's go. Never. I cannot do that. Just they couldn't. I like it. Hi, Maka.
He's a giver.
Yes, so he is.
But abuses too much. Can't you see?
Am I complaining? Eh? Have I ever come to you and complained? No, now. I'm not complaining. See, let me tell you. It is better for me to cry and weep in the flying jets going to Dubai than to cry in poverty. I reject that. Oh my God.
Where did you say you kept the file? Because obviously it's not here. Where is it?
Honestly, sir, I'm very sure I dropped it here.
Then where? Where? I've searched the whole office. I can't find it. What's all this now?
Sir, please give me some time and I'll find it.
Just let me see what you can do.
And what in the green world is happening here? No, what's going on?
Merit, can you just understand this is an office? You do not shout like that.
No, I need to remove my glasses so I can be able to see clearly.
Merit, you should understand that this is an office. There are some manners you do not pull up.
An office? So you knew this place is an office? You knew it's an office? Yet you allowed this demented soul, this thing that is supposed to be chilling in the ocean with the sharks, you allowed her to be giving you dog in your office. You're a shameless man! You're a very stupid company.
Merit! Watch your words! Okay? How could I be doing that in my office? Listen, I'm not in my right frame of mind right now. I'm searching for a particular file. Alright?
Listen.
I don't want to get...
Hush up! Hush up there! What are you doing that for? What are you doing this for family?
Hey.
Because I said Caribbean, you're asking for another your time. What are you doing, my husband?
Beg your pardon, man. What did you just say I was doing?
Jesus wept. Holy Moses. What did you just say? Did you just fall? You bet. No, because I'm not trying to tearing you into two. But this is my husband. Are you a person? Are you crazy? Are you come and take come on, are you
Security!
Are you crazy?
Security, do something there!
I will deal with you. I will deal for you. Come on. What was the meaning of that nonsense? What happened back there? Why did you ask your security to take me out of the compound? I need to understand it, Daniel.
Merit, can't you trust your husband for once?
I should trust my husband.
Merit, I love you and will never cheat on you.
Oh, please shut that hole on your face. If I shut it for you with a hot slap. Liar! Look at you! All you do is keep cheating. Cheat and cheat all the time and you keep lying. Swear that you are not cheating without your secretary. Swear. Swear.
Merit.
Now you're speechless. What was I expecting? That's guilt conscience. It's written all over you. Look at you. You can't even look at me eyeball to eyeball properly. Cheat! Cheating bastard. A very stupid man.
Are you really thinking so low of me? Like, are you really looking down on me? Merit, you have everything a man wants in a woman. How could you ever imagine that I, your husband, will be looking at that loved for what?
Well, it is
Is her beauty anywhere close to yours?
I don't care. Because it is quite obvious to me that the thing in between your legs knows no difference. Look at you. You think I am one of those women that you can be messing with? You were busy sleeping with your own secretary. You see this thing both of you have been doing? The day I will catch both of you, I will bait her with carbon dioxide 404. Carbon means with mistake. That's what I would use to beat her that day. I would help her beat that her stupid chronic vagina that she cannot keep to herself. As for you, I will deal with you. You think of those women you can marry and mess with? I'm a Gen Z bad wife. I will show you shaggy.
He's searching for a file I needed to send to the ministry.
I will deal with you. You are the secretary. I will deal with you. You think because I am pregnant you can mess with me, right? I will deal with you. I will show you shaggy balance.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I couldn't sleep well last night. After what happened yesterday, the embarrassment still cling to me, in as much as I tried to forget it. But I couldn't. Last night, I thought about it all night. Here is my resignation letter, sir.
Resignation what?
Yes, hello?
Hello? Yes. If you love and value your marriage, you better rush down to your husband's office. He's with a woman having fun.
Eh? Daniel? With, hello? Hello? Daniel? With another woman again? If I can't keep. Hey! They will hear from you today. They don't know you. Daniel again.
Who is that decomposed element? I need to see that rejected soul that had the guts to come to my husband's office. Where is that bitch? Where is that girl?
Lord, just listen, put yourself together, okay? I love my wife, I can't cheat on my wife. Come on, stop.
Please, just this once, and promise to pay everything for the rest of my life. Let me just have a taste of what they are
Stop it, stop it. You know. Excuse me.
I am waiting for you, Daniel. You will come back and meet me. Hey, Rapoche. Gandusa. In the Boskiva house. They will hear from you. I am waiting for you and your whole Daniel. You will hear from me.
Can we just talk like adults for once, Merit?
Oh, now you want us to talk like adults. You know what thing I hate about your shameless self? It's the way you lie. Nigga, you lie for a living. Now tell me, what else do you want to tell me now? No, bring it on, you just want to lie, right? Even when I caught you pants down.
Merit,
Jesus,
listening to you is an insult to my person. Can you just picture who you are talking about? How could I possibly have something to do with that girl? She's not my class.
Really? Wow. You mean Mr. Ding Dang has class? Wow. Amazing. You know the most painful part of it, the one that I cannot even start myself imagining is the fact that you made the same girl mourn the way you make me mourn. You know what? I am done.
Listen, it's all a setup and you're falling for it. She was mourning as if she knew you were coming. Didn't you? Merit. It's just... Merit.
Brother, what is it?
Simple. Jesus. Hey.
Listen, don't you ever in your shredded, retarded, stinking life ask me that kind of stupid question again. To make myself very clear, because you knew very well that your brother was cheating on me, yet you did nothing about it. Psychopathic bastard.
It has not gotten to this, right? I mean, it's all a setup. We can figure it out. Okay?
Get my brother out now! Mary! Get him out! Mary! Brother, what is happening?
My new secretary set me up. Hi.
What is love without trust?
I understand how
What
you
is
feel,
love
but you need to
without
calm
trust?
down.
Who
She will
am
calm down
I
later.
without you? I stand by the promises I made to
Brother!
No one
Brother!
will ever take your place in my
Brother, wait!
life. Yeah, but
Brother!
now you see me like a stranger. Oh no, now you think I'm a cheater. Yeah, the trust is gone, the bond is weakened. I wish we could go back to the way we used to be. Insecurities, it's breaking us apart. Insecurities, baby, put your trust in me.
Why is this man proving stubborn?
We can't give up. We'll continue to push him. We can't give up. Anything he wants, we will give it to him.
God.
Hey!
This man is requesting for a video call.
What?
He's requesting for a video call.
She fit one.
Dan, are you going to see her?
No. She made her decision. Let her live with it. Gosh, Merit is not the first married woman to be treating my brother the way she has been doing.
Well, ask me, Dan. I think you just have to follow what Jessica said. Not just going begging her all the time. At least give her a break so you can see her reactions.
Exactly my point. Every time she threatens my brother as if she's doing me a favor of being married to him. Who is all this now?
Who could be this person? Who is this girl? Who gave her that impetus to have gone far? What kind of prank is this? Eh?
Honestly, the way everything went, you could tell it was well calculated and perfectly executed.
Too bad.
Babe, there's this client of mine that is proving stubborn. And I want you to help me talk to him. Can you do that?
Yeah.
I told you. I told you she can.
Are you sure you can do it?
Mm-hmm. I can.
See, Precious, we have implicit confidence in your ability. Okay? You believe you can actually do this for us. Please, don't fail us. Please.
Okay, no problem.
And again, pretend to be the model that we've been talking about.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Sure.
Okay, good. This is it now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me set this for you.
Okay.
Did you see that now? So once you tap this place now, the video call will start.
Okay.
And don't make mistake, okay?
Sure, I won't.
Be very careful, please. We'll start the video call. Okay? Please don't fuck up. Don't fall my hand, please. Please. I beg in the name of God. If you know you cannot do it, just tell me.
I can do it.
Don't spoil this work for me, I beg.
Please.
I beg.
Please. The success of this business depends on you now.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
I trust you. That's my baby. Alright, let go.
You're making noise? About to be. Okay. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I'm the model you've been asking of. Yeah, you've been chatting my management. Yeah. They said you're demanding for a video call from me to know if I'm real or not. So, you have it? Okay. Are you cool now? Okay. You can see me now, right? Alright, thank you. So tell me, when are you booking my ticket? Tomorrow next? Tomorrow? Okay. You can't wait to see me, right? I can wait too. You love what you see? You like what you see? Huh? Alright. Don't worry, I'll give it to you. Okay. You love my breast? Ooh, I'm gonna pop it up out. Don't worry, I'll bring it out for you, okay? Don't worry. Alright, thank you. Alright. So you're oh, okay. I love you. See you tomorrow. That's my man. Alright, love you.
Baby gone! Baby!
I told you now.
You see what I keep talking about, you stand up, sir.
Oh, my baby girl! The Benjamin is on the way, baby. Now what I'm gonna give you all this, okay? Take a sip. You don't like it? You don't like it?
calling again? Yes, hello. You are the owner of the phone? Well, I've been waiting for your call since. Just tell me where you are, I'll bring you right away. Oh, it's okay, I'll do just that, okay? Alright.
Small. See now. Just look at it. Just match it small. Yeah.
So where's the break?
Break is the first one.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Short.
Yeah, if you want to move the car, that's big.
Then this style. Straight up style.
So if I want to wipe this place now, how will I wipe? Okay.
Did you see that?
Nice. Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Okay.
So, this here is here now. This is back. This is reverse. This is neutral.
Where will she drive? Where will she stop and come down? Stop and come down.
It's just so. Right? So what will happen? Do you understand everything?
Yes, I do.
Right?
Yes.
So stop.
Now, Fresh, it's time for you to go practice what you want to do.
See, don't fall my hand, though. Babe, do not fall my hand. Did you understand everything?
I understand you.
Don't go and scratch my car. If you do, you'll pay for it. You know how much I bought this car?
I'll start from here, right?
Take it to drive.
To drive?
Go down. Take it down.
I should match the brake first.
Yeah, match the brake first.
This
The
one,
first
right?
one is the brake.
The first one is the brake?
Yeah, the first one.
I'll touch it.
The first one
This
is
one?
the brake, yeah.
Okay.
The second one is the throttle.
Okay, so I
Just
should
match
step on
the
it.
Yeah, the brake. Then
I've stepped on it.
carry, take it down. Now, to drive.
To drive?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on drive now.
Okay. So move.
I believe you. Agba driver. Let's go.
Hold the steering very well, okay? Baby.
Let's go.
Okay?
I'll shock you.
I trust you. You're a fast learner.
Easy. Just keep going. Small. Keep going. You can do it, baby.
I'm trying.
Agba driver. I trust you.
Okay. Move your leg from the brake.
Yeah, I've moved.
Just keep going.
Yeah, I'm going, baby.
Slow and steady. You get it.
Yeah, my phone is ringing.
No, don't
Let's just concentrate on learning.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, Chris. Serious. Okay, just come in.
Because of money, you would let any man make it treat you like trash. Oh no, because of money, you have lost everything that makes you a woman. Oh, no matter how they treat you, no matter how they beat you, you go still there.
Not now. But you know later, okay? Not now.
Mama, this one is very sweet.
Very sweet too. Atoka. Wana aburo ko kaka ndi dikita. Chete makuku muna gwa budi. Maka wanne gi Precious. Precious want to kill me. Precious chori ni BP. Emre mi hojo we mo Precious. Ogini. Precious here. Precious there. Ogini.
Mama, I have told you to calm down. Eh? Forget about Precious. She's not the only daughter you have. My father is no longer alive. You have all I've got. Leave Precious before she will give me high BP.
Hey, Mama! Hey! My sister! My siki!
Precious.
Sister! Eh?
What is happening?
Oh my God! This car key you're saying is my car key, and Kelvin bought me a car. The same Kelvin, Mama, that you nearly use a call to kill for me.
Kelvin?
Kelvin, Yes, Mama. He bought me a car. Yes. Oh my God.
Are you trying to say that Kevin bought you a car or you're driving Kevin's car? Which one?
Are you doubting me, Sissy? I know you're jealous of me. Just go and check it out. Go and check it out. Hey, I am not a cow now. I'm going to paint this town. blue and black.
Precious,
They never say
you.
anything.
Take it easy.
Mama, you say what you Mama, when I was nobody, when I was using Legacy's Benz, it's come where you. It's not some where you kita. Ha! Yenga wagodo awa. Mama, you see this car key? I'm going to drive you as sim round the star. We are going to paint it blue and black. Hey, Mama! Clap for me now. How about the gunum? Hey, Mama! Ngwano. Where nka ke ma no na eme. Kevin Sugini, cool down. Sisim, let me bless you because you need to be blessed. One name, you know I love you. Ngwano, wait. Sisi, you need to take this money. You know you need it. You're my sister. You need this money very well. Forget the pretense. Hold it. Yeah, okay, go. Just use good you know what I go? Freshen up. You start get something good for yourself. Mama! Arrive go. Arrive go. Kita. Kum. Mama, let me go inside. Ready up, ready up.
Precious.
Your daughter. It's like cow. Congratulations to her. I hope what you want here. Because see that Kevin of a guy, I don't trust him.
Enjoy your
cup. I'm scared though. Stop thinking about Precious. This one, be careful. Oh, Mama, my God, no.
Hey. I'm back on the
So you're leaving me here all alone?
Baby, I am so sorry.
Hey, come on, baby. This is not a time to talk about this, okay?
Baby, it wasn't intentional. I didn't know they drugged my drink.
Come on, baby. Just keep your head down, all right? Have some rest. Sorry. Just put yourself together, okay? Come on. You need to rest and get better, okay? I'm actually seated here waiting for you to at least get up so I can undress you, take you into the bedroom, shower you, bring you out, lay you back on this bed to rest more. I've already made you feel right in the kitchen. Don't worry, okay? So just keep your head down a little more, okay? We'll talk about whatever later. Moreover, I know you are imperfect. Okay? When I took you to the altar of God, I vow to love your perfect and imperfection. You're my wife, and you will always be my wife. No going back. We're here together in forever. Okay?
I love you.
I love you more. Easy. What is it?
I don't get it. B, I am innocent, trust me. I don't even know how. I know they drugged my drink so they can be able to take my nude pictures.
This guy must be very stupid.
Finished.
Hey, come on, baby. Come on. Do not allow this get to you, okay? He's very, very stupid. Don't worry. Just. It's not the number calling?
Yes.
But don't worry. Yes, hello?
You're very, very stupid. Yes, this is the husband talking. If you like, send her news to the whole world to see. I do not care. She's my wife and will always be my wife. Nonsense! Who sent you? Are you mad? Just pray I do not see you face to face because I am going to deal with you. Onyala! Onyala! Get out! Get out! Get out! Look at this. Okay? Don't pay attention to these people. Okay?
My lovely husband, praise and Jessica, I am really sorry for all the stress and pains I've caused you all. I don't even have the right to sit with you guys because I'm not worth it. In as much as it is so painful to hear, the fact still remains that I've lost my baby. But I know I'm going to take in again. I know I'm going to get pregnant. And I have another child. But I want you all to find a place in your heart. Please. I beg you, find a place in your heart to forgive. I am sorry. I was just jealous. I didn't want to lose my husband. I didn't want him to leave me just the way he left his girlfriend to get married to me. I was obsessed. Please, my husband, forgive me. I love you so much, darling. You know it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, please.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand you were, scared about the kind of job I do. You were scared of losing me to one of my clients just the way I met you and all of that. But I want to tell you something. I didn't just come to you because I want to have carnal knowledge of you and all of that. But the truth is, the first time I set my eyes on you, I fell in love and I chose to love you forever. It's okay. You don't even need to apologize because I've forgiven you long ago, even before you asked. Stop crying, please.
Dan is a good man and an upright person. That ladies or women are coming after him just because of his kindness, not because of his sexual prowess, okay?
Sorry. I overstepped my boundaries and I'm ready to face it all now. I just want another chance, please.
Wifey, stop crying. I'm so happy you're back to your normal self now. I missed you so much. Especially my brother here.
Oh, my baby love. I hate to see you tears, huh? Don't worry. we'll still have another chance. Okay?
Big bro.
That's my man. True love, man.
Cynthia, we have done series of tests, but all negative.
Mom, I'm beginning to suspect something.
What could that be?
Mama, Kevin is not genuine.
Kevin?
Yes, his money is not pure. Yes, Mama.
Precious boyfriend?
Kevin has used Precious.
God forbid.
You don't need to say God forbid, Mama. Can't you see? All the hospitals that we have been to, they cannot even say what the ailment is all about.
How can it be? What is this? Okay, what is your advice then? Hey.
Let's take her to the church.
Church?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. We'll take her to the church.
Babe, where are you now? I'm in my street now. Where are you? I can't see you. I said number 45, Mokoro Street. That's where I am. But I can't see you now. Where are you?
Hold it there. What? Mr. Kevin, you are under arrest. Move like this. Listen to me.
I don't understand.
Go like this.
What is happening?
Go like this man. I say you are under arrest for the offense of fraud.
Fraud? Yes.
And I advise you to remain silent for whatever you say or do.
Officer, I don't know what you're
talking about. I'm still talking.
I don't know what you're talking
about.
What do you mean fraud? Fraud how?
Listen to me.
I'm a businessman, officer. Move, officer. Can you stop this? Stop this.
Will you move?
Officer, I'm innocent. What's of this now?
Move. I said move. Officer, move. Take him to that car. Put him inside that.
What?
Move.
What is love without trust? What is love without trust? Who am I without you? I stand by the promises I made to you. No one will ever take your place in my life. Yeah, but now you see me like a stranger. Oh no, now you think I'm a cheater. Yeah, the trust is gone, the bond is weakened. I wish we could go back to the way we used to be. It's breaking us apart. Insecurities. Baby, put your trust in me.